Hello beautiful people, it is your girl Albie here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time hanging out here, do not leave without subscribing, and I definitely want to have you come back. This video is part 2 of my productivity mini series, where in the first one I talked about staying basically mentally focused and in the game, how to keep yourself productive and accountable. If you have not watched that video, I will link it up above and also link it down below. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to stay physically focused and on your game. I am home all the time. I am a work from home mom, stay at home mom, an online entrepreneur, and an online student. There's really no reason for me to ever leave my house. That can obviously result in letting myself go a little bit. If you are someone who struggles with this and want a little bit more motivation, or just want to find better ways to stay motivated, get comfy and hang out for the rest of this video. In the last video, I shared with you a few of my favorite ways to stay productive as a work from home mom and online entrepreneur. Now, this isn't a video about losing weight or any of that jazz. If that's what you're here for, I have nothing here for you. This is really just about being conscious of your body, being mindful of what you're doing to your body, and then better ways of taking care of yourself and staying fit. Those little mind hacks that'll basically get you off your booty and being a little bit more physically productive. While doing everything from home can be amazing for really designing your own lifestyle, it can also be pretty detrimental if you allow it. You're snacking at your desk, you're waking up early, you're sleeping late, you're not eating properly, your diet probably consists of like coffee and whatever your toddler left on their plate, you're not really moving because you're home all the time, and you're just in constant hustle mode. Habit number 1, opening the blinds and the windows. Now you're probably trying to figure out what the heck this has to do with your body. Vitamin D, you'd be surprised, is something that most people don't give a second thought to. Just by opening your blinds and even taking it a step further and opening your windows, you're letting in that natural sunlight, whether the sun is beaming outside or not, you're letting in natural sunlight to give yourself natural vitamin D. Benefits of vitamin D include a healthy complexion, an increase in red blood cells, a boost in energy, improved circulation, and that's just to name a few. It also wakes up the room and wakes you up as well. The natural sunlight is also really bringing the outdoors in. If you are constantly home, you probably still need a little bit of outside. Just being able to see outside, whether your view is great or not, gives you just a little bit of a change of scenery. Bonus points if you put your desk in front of a window. Habit number 2, drinking water. Now, I'll be the first to admit I am not the best at drinking water. In my lifetime, the only time I really drank an abundance of water was during my pregnancy and while I was nursing. But I am well aware of the benefits of water. So the way I've kind of hacked my mind to continue to drink water is by constantly keeping a water bottle with me. I have my favorite water bottle that I fill up every morning to get me through the day, and also every night, so that as soon as I wake up, I'm drinking water. I leave it at my nightstand, I wake up, grab my water bottle before I even grab my phone, just so I can really start to make it habit forming. Mine, I believe, is about 16 ounces. That right there is already 2 glasses of water that I'm just gonna drink. And because it's so convenient, it at least takes the hassle out of getting it done. Habit number 3, taking breaks for bursts of movement. You're sitting at your desk or you're on the sofa on your laptop, you're probably not moving unless you absolutely have to. I know between school and my business, I do a lot of sitting on the computer, at the computer. You know what I mean. So now I have built breaks into my day. I also have my Apple Watch that will tell me, hey, it's time to stand, it's time to breathe. But I also now have incorporated into my day just time to get up, get the blood flowing, shake up the old bones, and really get movement. My personal favorite type of break is for a dance party. So I will literally turn up my tunes and just bust out dancing in the middle of my office. It might be for 5 minutes, it might be for 15 minutes. But like I said, it gets the blood circulating and really just kind of helps me do a quick physical and mental reset. Another great way I like to break up my day is taking walks outside when the weather permits. Now, it doesn't even have to be a long walk. Sometimes I do take a 1-hour walk around my entire neighborhood, but sometimes I just walk to the mailbox. Just getting, again, that fresh air, that natural sunlight, that change of scenery does wonders for my entire body, getting myself moving, but also for my skin and my mind and all the things. This is less of a habit, more of a hack. Hack number 4, getting small footprint workout gear. Not all of us have the luxury of creating an at-home gym. Even if we do, we just may not want to. But that doesn't mean you can't have things in your home that can promote working out. What I have: sit to stand elliptical, yoga mat, weighted resistant bands. All of these items, first of all, take up minimal to no space in my home, so I'm not trying to hide them and stash them away and disrupt the design of my home, but they all serve the purpose of keeping me physically in shape and moving. My elliptical is something that I can easily keep under my desk and even use under my desk because it is a sit to stand elliptical. But when I'm feeling real fancy, I pull it out in the middle of the office, I stand on top of it, and I go full on workout. My resistance bands, they're also weighted, so I'm getting not only a good stretch by using them, but actual conditioning by using them as well. Lastly, my yoga mat. It's a yoga mat. It rolls up and goes away. Although the apartment is carpeted, stretching on the carpet isn't necessarily the most comfortable, and also just having the right equipment tricks your mind that you're really going to do a workout. All of these things make room for great impromptu workouts. As someone who used to actually go to the gym, back when I was in New York City, I would go to an Equinox, take yoga, take Zumba, use the machines. I still don't see a disruption in the way I'm keeping myself active by being very intentional with the equipment. I'm mindful of what works for my body, so that's cardio and stretching, and I found the equipment that would fit into that. Hack habit number 5 is dressing for the parts with cute and stylish wear. Getting dressed every morning is a great way to trick yourself into saying, I need to be productive. Like, it's really easy to just work from home in like your sweats or your robe or whatevs, but putting on actual clothes as though you were going somewhere really tells your mind, no, we're gonna go do something. The same goes for working out. You could easily throw on your husband's baggy t-shirt and some old sweats from yesteryear, or you can actually put on some cute and stylish workout gear. Fun fact about me, a lot of my merchandising experience back when I was working in the retail space was with athletic brands. So I might be a little bit biased, but I think I know what I'm talking about. When you look the part, you are more inclined to actually get it done. Personally, I feel like I have my whole life together when I actually have on a workout outfit. The collection from Fabletics is perfect for this. The pieces are super cute, super stylish, very feminine. They fit all kinds of body types. When you're mixing and matching those pieces and really putting together an outfit, you're more inclined to want to actually put that outfit to use. As someone who admittedly is pretty body conscious, I love to go for the high-waisted compression tights and the stylish long sleeve shirts. I'm getting my life back together. But they have everything from long leggings to capris to bralette types to jackets to long sleeves to short sleeves to tank tops, you name it. Whether I'm working out in the house or going for a walk, that way, like I said, I look the part, I feel great, I get it done. So those are my 5 hacks/habits for keeping myself physically focused while working from home as a work from home online entrepreneur. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out part 1. A huge thank you again for FABLETICS for partnering with me. If you want to check out some of their amazingly cute stuff, you can also find links and information in the description box below. I'd love to know if you are someone who works from home, go to school from home, work remotely, whatever, what have you, how that looks in your lifestyle. I think that makes sense. I'd love to know how you keep yourself from just letting yourself go, how you keep yourself in shape, how you keep your body healthy. I'd love to know what tips and tricks you use on a day-to-day basis. And I'd also love to know if you found something in this video that you are going to try for the new year. Like this video if you want to see more things like this. And if, again, this is your first time hanging out with me, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.